Severe floods hit Dobrogea and border areas of Bulgaria. Siliștea isolated, roads and homes submerged. Heavy rains that have swept through the Dobrogea region, particularly across Constanța, Călărași, and Ialomița counties, since last night have triggered severe flooding in several localities, including Siliștea, Tariverde, and Hârțova. The intense downpour caused canals and small rivers to overflow, submerging roads, homes, and cutting off access between towns. In Siliștea, due to the overflow of a main collector canal, the entire village is now completely isolated. Access roads to the area, including DJ 224 between Sepeș-Vodă and Tortoman, as well as Drumul Comunal 61 connecting Semeni-Siliștea, are covered by floodwaters. Dozens of residents have been rescued and evacuated by emergency teams. Meanwhile, in Constanța city, the urban area has also been heavily affected. The Navodari promenade is flooded, and several major streets and boulevards are underwater, bringing traffic to a standstill. Public transport was temporarily halted, but CT bus services have gradually resumed, although delays continue due to high water levels. Rescue units from several counties, including firefighters from ISU Mureș and ISU Ialomita, were deployed to assist those affected. In a dramatic operation, ISU Constanța crews managed to save a person trapped on the hood of a car caught in floodwaters between Sepeș-Vodă and Nicolae Boltescu. The victim was reported conscious but mildly hypothermic and transported to the Constanța County Hospital for treatment. In multiple areas, Constanța Gendarmes have built makeshift sandbag levees on Izvor, Miorițe, and Moților streets to prevent further flooding into residential areas. Heavy rainfall has also impacted parts of Bragadiru Ilfov and extended toward the border region of Ruse Bulgaria. Authorities urge residents to remain vigilant, avoid unnecessary travel, and comply with evacuation instructions until conditions improve. Stay safe and follow the directions of local authorities. Read the latest statement from ISU Constanța this morning.